Hi, I'm Jordan Hasay. I'm a professional marathon runner, and today I'm going to show you how to use the Firefly recovery device. Press the button once to turn the Firefly on, and you will be on level 1. If I press the Firefly again, it will blink twice. If I hold the button for 3 seconds, the Firefly will turn off. Now I will show you how to place the Firefly. It is important to place the Firefly correctly to get the desired benefit of increased circulation and recovery. So you're going to take the plastic backing off the device and kind of feel up from your ankle bone to the bony spot right behind your knee and line it up. There's this little indicator mark here where you line up with the bony spot. Put that in the back, press and hold to turn it on. You should feel a twitch. Mine starts twitching at level 1, but just kind of find what works best for you. And then you're gonna repeat the same thing with the second leg. Go to your leg and find the bony part on your ankle, come up from that, and there's another bony part. You'll notice that there's 2 bony parts on your knee, one in the front and one on the side. You want that indicator line to be on the side, so where the Firefly logo kind of wraps around your calf that way, and the power button will be facing towards the front of your knee. But mainly it's kind of on the side of your leg. So you want to find that bony spot, put the indicator line over it, stick it on, and then press the button. I find the Firefly works best with the knee straps, and we'll show you how to place those now. And you want to get the strap nice and tight. Make sure it's nice and snug. And you're good to go. When you are done with your recovery session, you will turn the Firefly off. It is recommended that you use Firefly for 2 to 4 hours, depending on the intensity of your workout. The Firefly is a reusable device and can be used multiple times. To store the Firefly, gently remove the Firefly and place the plastic backing on the device. And then you're done.